Hello everyone guys, with a brand new video. In this video we will discuss about the RLC circuits. If you can see the screens here, we have one inductors of 1 Henry and the capacitor of 15 UF microfarads and the resistance of 10 ohm. Now what simply is doing here, let me first charge the capacitors and inductors, then you will get to know what is happening there. This is the source, voltage source, which directly now charging the inductors and capacitors. Now if I open the circuits, then you can see here that the inductors charging the capacitors and the capacitors through the resistors charging the inductor, and in the similar case they charging and discharging again and again. But there is a conditions comes once after the charging and discharging process, the voltage or currents dissipates from inductors or capacitors using the heat resistance. Okay. Heat dissipations with respect to resistance or the connecting wires, you can say. If I speed up the simulation speeds, you can see here that it's now fully discharged, and so there is no current flowing in the circuits. Now if you can see here, if I increase the current speeds also, if you can see here, so let me show you that it's works like this in microseconds or in milliseconds, that now it's again stop. Similarly it's work like this in the daily life, and if we increase the capacitance, then this process will go for the large times, not for the milliseconds or microseconds. It's increased to, you can say, from nanosecond to it increase to microseconds only this. And if we increase the resistance, then it will discharge in a very quick way. You can see here it's discharged in nanoseconds. So it's a simply explanations of a RLC circuits using a voltage source. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe and share my channel for more videos like this.